today's video I do an unboxing of some very cool hand-poured silver which is going in the silverpunk stack. Check this out. Welcome back. I've been buying more stuff, so we've got another unpackaging unboxing, more hand-poured goodies. So there's a package, let's get into it. Again, I can't remember who, I don't know where this is from until I open it up, because that's how we roll. Look at that, we get the nice straight in look. Oh dear. There we go, we're in. Let's just check if there's any invoice. Let's have a look, see what we got. Oh yeah, this is, I know this is from the logo. Look at this. Look at that bad, but look at those. Really nicely packaged. Look at those, I like these packages. Look at those. Now this is from Liquid Metals, UK. Oh, very cool. Really like them packages. Right, let's get into this first one. And a little sticker as well. Thank you for supporting my small business. Isn't that cool? Really, it's a shame to open them. That's really impressed with the packaging. So let's just cut that across, because it looks like these are them ones you can reseal. I'm guessing I don't want to mess this up. Oh dear. There we go. There we go. Just move that out the way. Look at that. I think that's a sticker. That's cool. Another sticker to go up by the furnace. Liquid Metals UK. And there we have it. That's a little Britannia, Liquid Metals Britannia bar. You see these little colourised stars there. Look at that. That's a nice stamp, isn't it? A nice press, a nice stamp. Oh, there we go. It's all on the back for us. 2024, 1 ounce, 3 nines fine, mintage 6 out of 50. How cool is that? Number 6. Right, let's get him out. I just have to get it out. Let's. Oh yeah, very. Look at that. Look at that. Just the quality. It's just superb. Look at that finish on that. Again, a nice little hand poured piece, and then all stamped up and pressed and stamped. Again, that's so cool. So nice process with that. That's just nice quality. Again, you weigh your ounce of silver, you pour your ingot or your bar, and then you put it on your stamping machine or your press, and you press it out, and then you've got all the problems of doing the hand finishing. And those are stamps on the back there. How cool is that? That's a cool, lovely little piece. So there's that one. And obviously I bought 2, as you can probably see. Little revolver, look at that. Totally different to that. I thought I'd go for something to 2 different processes to see. So let's get into this one straight away. These are so cool. So this is Liquid Metals UK. Another UK silver pourer. And I'll show you all the details. I'll put them on the screen and the website and stuff. I think it's .co.uk, this one, liquidmetalsuk.co.uk, but I will check. Wow, look at that one. Look at that, that's a cool one. Yeah, they'll be going up by the furnace. And look at that bad boy. How cool is that? 2024, half an ounce revolver. Open mintage. Now this is a cool little piece. Oh, it feels in the hand. Look at that. It's just got a little, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there, 3 nines FS. Look at that little piece. That is so cool. Now I'm not sure, I'm guessing, I'm not exactly 100% sure how this was made, but I'm guessing this would be sandcasted. That would be a 3D pour. You'd make it, and then you got it. It looks, I think that's laser engraved. Again, it's wonderful. Look at that though. And it's antiqued up. Lovely finish to it. And again, for a little piece like that, that takes the time. That absolutely that takes time. It's not an easy thing, as you know from my channel, because I do them. It's not easy, it's not a fast process. Well, that is lovely. So look at them, 2 lovely pieces from Liquid Metals UK. And again, prices, the Britannia bar was £29.50. See, again, you can't moan at that for an ounce of hand poured stuff. And the half ounce revolver, £18.50. So the premium was a bit more on that, but totally understandable. The work, a lot of work in these guys, in the hand poured stuff. and it's just so cool. I'm just so excited to get some more in my stack. So hope you enjoyed that little unboxing. I'll put the details below of the website and stuff for you, but that was Liquid Metals UK, 2 cool pieces for the stack. I'll see you all next time when I've bought some more. Cheers.